my dear lovely children, welcome back for the today's class. So my dear students, today we are starting a new topic in our calendar chapter, right? So chapter number 5 and chapter's name is calendar, and students, this is the part 4, okay? This is the last part of our calendar chapter, okay? So today we are going to understand about the last topic, okay? So my dear students, take out your maths workbook and be ready with your pencil and rubber, okay? So on page number 103, right on page number 103, the question is answer the following questions, okay? My dear students, you have to cut this on the basis of the calendar of year 2019. Okay, see, our heading is only this, answer the following questions. Okay, you have to cut this like me. जैसे मैंने cut किया है, you also have to cut this on the basis of the calendar of year 2019. Okay. So, in your unit test or else in your final exam, आपको कैलेंडर देख के आंसर नहीं करना है, ओके? यू हैव टू आंसर अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. सी, विच इज द फर्स्ट मंथ ऑफ द ईयर? माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पहला महीना कौन सा है? ओके, सो द फर्स्ट मंथ इज, guess it, कौन सा है फर्स्ट मंथ ऑफ द ईयर? In a year, how many months are there? 12 months are there. So, which is the first month? कौन सा है? Guess it? Yes, January. Okay? See, January, January. Now, continuing the question, how many days are there in that month? Students, this we have studied in our previous class, that January month has how many days? Yes, those who know, very good, right? January month has 31 days, right? 31 days are there in the January month, okay? Now, students, pay attention. Which month just succeeds that month? Here that month is January, okay? So question number 2 is related to question number 1, okay? So see, which is the first month of the year? We have written January, okay? Now on the basis of this only question number 2 is dependent, okay? Which month just succeeds that month? That month means the first month, that is January. So my dear students, succeeding month is what? Guess it. Succeeding month कौन सा होगा जनवरी का? Yes, the answer is February. 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 Succeeding month of January is February. Right? Now my dear students, continuing the question, how many days are there in that month? Students, how many days are there in the February month? Some of you will say, ma'am, 28. Some of you will say, ma'am, 29. Right? So, we will write down 28 or 29. Okay? We will write down both. 28 or 29. Right? If it's a leap year, our answer is 29. And if it's normal year, so our answer is 28. Right? But we will write down both. 28 or 29. Okay? Now, which is the 8th month of the year? Which is the 8th month of the year? My dear students, now I already made you understand about the example which was related to this fist, right? As you can see here, fist में मैंने आपको बताया था, you can start from January, right? So from that you can easily find out which is the 8th month. The 8th month is August, right? The 8th month is August. August, August. August, August. And how many days it has? It has 31 days. Okay. Now, which month just precedes the month of May? Which month just precedes the month of May? Now, my dear students, the meaning of this portion is May के पहले, right? Precedes means before. Okay, so before month, or else you can say May के पहले क्या आता है, my dear students? See, count from January. January, February, March, April, May. So which month precedes the month of May? April, right? So here we will write down April, April. So April month has how many days? It has 30 days. Okay, 30 days. Right, my dear students. Now we will continue with the fifth one. Okay, see. Which month just succeeds the month of September? Now, my dear students, here succeeding month of September, that is September के बाद वाला महीना. Okay, after month of September is, my dear students, October. Okay, October. And you can say the 10th month. 10th month of the year is October. Now, how many days it has? It has, yes, what will be your answer, my dear students? It has 31 days. How many days it has? It has 31 days. October month has 31 days. Okay. So, let us just revise our question answers. Which is the first month of the year? January. And how many days are there in that month? 31. Okay. Which month just succeeds that month? कौन सा महीना है जो जनवरी के बाद आता है? After, that is February. Okay. And how many days are there in that month? 28 or 29. So, February month has 28 or 29 days. If it's a normal year, for example 2021 है, so it has 28 days. And if 2020 है होता, so it would be 29. Okay. Now third question. Which is the 8th month of the year? 8th month of the year is August and it has 31 days. Which month just precedes the month of May? May से पहले वाला महीना is April, right? And it has 30 days. Which month just succeeds the month of September? Succeeds means इसके बाद वाला, after month. Okay, so our answer is October. October, October, and it has 31 days. October month has 31 days. Now, my dear students, instead of this now, okay, your question could change. For example, which is the last month, or else you can say which is the 11th month of the year. Okay, if for example, which is the 11th month of the year, so you will write down November, right? November, November. This is just example. देखो, it's not necessary कि आपको ऐसे ही पूछा जाए which month precede, which month succeed. Okay, like that also I can ask you the question, which is the 11th month of the year, November. Okay, then how many days it has? Your answer will be, ma'am, it has 30 days, right? So different questions can come in your unit test or else in the final exam. Okay, so till here we have completed from question number 1 to question number 5 on page number 103. Now we will continue with the 6th one. Okay, see on the same page, page number 103, we will continue. Okay, so now, which month falls between the month of June and August? Now, my dear students, the word between is there. Between means इन दोनों बीच के, means between which, that is June and August. June and August के बीच में which month falls? Okay, so January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay, so July is the 7th month. Okay, so which month falls between the month of June and August? जून एंड अगस्त मंथ के बीच में कौन सा मंथ आता है माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? जुलाई. ओके, एंड जुलाई इज द 7th month also. JULY. Okay, July, and how many days it has? It has 31 days. How many days it has? It has 31 days. Now my dear students, the following na question answers are very very interesting. Okay, twist and turn आ सकता है इन question answers में, right? See, the 7th one is, which months have 30 days? Which months have 30 days? So my dear students, here we have to answer कौन से months में 30 days आते हैं, right my dear students? So see, understand this very well. Okay, so our first month is January. It has 30 days. Then February में तो 28 और 29 होते हैं, 30 आते नहीं हैं, right? Then again March also has 31 days. Okay, January, February, March. Then April. Yes, so April has 30 days. April has 30 days. Then May is having 31 days, right? Then April, May, June. Yes, June also has 30 days. June also has 30 days, right? Then July. After June, July is coming. So in July, 31 days are there. After July, which month is coming? August. August is also having 31 days. Okay, so April, June have 30 days. August तक हमने देखा तो 31 days हैं. After August, which month is coming? June, July, August, September, right? So September has 30 days. Now after September, October is coming. So October has 31 days. After October, November month comes. So and November has 30 days, right? You know my dear students, December has 31 days, right? So now my dear students, pay attention. Now the question is, which months have 30 days? Which months have 30 days, right? So which months में आपको months के नाम लिखने हैं? April, June, September and November. If my dear students, I am writing here, how many months have 30 days? अगर मैं यहाँ पे लिखती हूँ how many months have 30 days, so your answer should be 4 months. Okay, आपको months के नाम नहीं लिखने हैं. Instead of that, you have to write down the figure, number लिखना है. Okay, so how many months have 30 days? That are April, June, September, November. But we don't have to write down that particular month's name. Instead of that, we will write down the figure. कि 4 months have 30 days. Right? So my dear students, some of you are not seeing the video, only writing down the answers from the PDF. My dear students, I am explaining each and everything in the video. Okay? So अगर कुछ भी doubt है, you again watch the video. Okay, आपको आपका जो doubt है that will be solved, right? See, here I am explaining which months have 30 days, right? And if I am giving how many months have 30 days in the exam, this I am explaining here in the video. Okay, so there should be no doubt. Okay, कि मैम आपने ये क्वेश्चन तो करवाया ही नहीं था. I am explaining you that in the video, right? Now continuing with the 8th question, right? Which months have 31 days? Now the word is which months. The word is which months. That means here we have to write down the names of the months that is having 31 days. So my dear students, see, April will not come, June will not come, September will not come and November will also not come. Plus with them February will also not come. है ना? Why? Because February month has 28 or 29 days. So, which are the months remaining now that are having 31 days? Yes, guess it, my dear students. It's very easy. See, the first is January and February is not having. Then March, right? January, March, April is having 30 days. So, what comes after April? May, right? May में 31 days होते हैं. So, May, then June. June is already having 30 days. Then July. July, then August. Okay, so in this continuing months ना, देखो July and August में continuous 31 days आते हैं. Then August के बाद कौन सा महीना आता है? September. September is already having 30 days. Then what comes after September? October. So October is having 31 days, right? And the last is December, right? So these 7 months have 31 days. If I am writing here, how many months have 31 days? See, my dear students, in the question, for example, look here on the screen, which months have 31 days, right? This is the question. And instead of that, I am giving you how many months have 31 days. How many months have 31 days? So your answer should be 7 months, right? You will not write down the name of the month. Instead of that, you will write down the figure. That is 7 months have 31 days. Let's see. Here we have written the answer now. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So 7 months have 31 days. Now we are continuing with the 9th. Number of days of which month is different from all other months? Now my dear students, this is very easy, right? See, we have seen the months which are having 30 days and we have seen the months which are having 31 days. Now my dear students, which month is remaining? February. And now February month is only different month, which is having either 28 days or 29 days. So here our answer will be February. February. Only February month is different from all other months. Okay. Now the 10th question. Which two successive months have 31 days? Which two successive months have 31 days? Now my dear students, this is most important question. Some of you might get confused in these questions, right? Now my dear students, this means ऐसे कौन से 2 महीने हैं जो सक्सेसिव हैं, है ना? मतलब द मंथ के पीछे दूसरा मंथ आता है, उसमें ही 31 डेज है, राइट? सो लेट्स सी द आंसर, right? First of all, let's see the answer, then again I will explain you with the example, right? So July and August, these two successive months have 31 days. Now my dear students, understand here. See, July is the 7th month and August is the 8th month, right? So ये दोनों months successive हो रहे हैं, 7 and 8. Now my dear students, I am giving you just for example. See, December and January also has 31 days. December और January दोनों month में 31 days होते हैं, but they are not successive months. Why? Because December month is 12th and January is the 1st. So these both months are not successive. Only July and August are successive months. Okay? Then which is the last month of the year? Now my dear students, this is very easy. Which is the last month? We celebrate our new year in this month, right? So that is December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, December. And it has 31 days. It has 31 days. Right, my dear students? So here we are completing our chapter. Which chapter? Calendar. Okay, so this was the last topic of our chapter, right? So my dear students, this you have to copy down in your maths workbook only. Okay, and more few question answers are there, different, so that you have to note down in your maths notebook. Okay, today no homework, right? Have a nice day, my dear students, and do complete your notes on time.